Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest in tech and bring you hands-on insights. I'm Luna, and today we're diving into the world of audio with a spotlight on the JBL Charge 5, one of the best outdoor Bluetooth speakers out there. If you're on the hunt for a portable powerhouse that can handle your adventures, you've come to the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech discoveries. Now let's jump into the JBL Charge 5 and find out it's worth the hype. If you're in the market for a waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker, chances are you've come across the JBL Charge 5. With a reputation as an incredibly rugged portable speaker, the JBL Charge 5 is an IP67 rated waterproof and dustproof speaker with a whopping 20-hour battery life and a built-in power bank functionality that allows you to charge your device while listening to music, which is a game changer for those interested in long adventures outdoors. With a retail price of $179.95, however, the JBL Charge 5 is also a bit pricier than other outdoor-friendly portable speakers on the market today. So if you're wondering if it's worth the splurge, here's what you need to know. Having used the JBL Charge 3 for years, the upgraded JBL Charge 5 caught my eye right out of the box. The design has undergone a facelift, exuding luxury and sleekness reminiscent of top-tier tech products. Join me as we explore its features and see if it lives up to the $180 price tag. Straight out of the box, the JBL Charge 5 has clearly gotten a facelift since the days of my aging Charge 3. The speaker both looks and feels luxurious, and JBL's super sleek packaging seems to have taken cues from Apple products to offer a top-of-the-line experience that goes well beyond the $180 price tag. It's roughly the same size as my old JBL Charge 3, but while the form factor is relatively similar, there are some major design upgrades that I really appreciated. It's a bit bigger than my old Charge 3, with a larger logo splashed across the middle of the speaker, an updated battery indicator, and sleek non-slip rubber feet slashed across the bottom. Beyond that, the JBL Charge 5 simply feels better. The rubber bumpers on either end of the speaker are incredibly smooth to the touch without sacrificing sturdiness. Now let's talk about the sound quality. After charging the JBL Charge 5 for a few hours with the included USB-C cable, I was eager to test it out for myself and was immediately impressed by the sound quality. It's rich, dynamic, and surprisingly clear with a decent bass that fills the room without overpowering the rest of the audio. The speaker boasts an optimized long extrusion driver, a separate tweeter, and dual pumping JBL bass radiators, but I can tell you that it absolutely translates to a noticeably improved audio quality. And with a basic equalizer included in the free JBL Connect companion app, you're able to customize your audio experience further, which is another major step up from the JBL Charge 3. Now let's talk about battery life and additional features. The charging time and battery life are pretty much the same between versions, with a 4-hour charge time and a 20-hour battery life depending on volume. Plus, both the JBL Charge 3 and the Charge 5 offer power bank functionality, meaning you can use them to charge your device while on the go. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to test the speaker on a kayaking trip, but both the Charge 3 and the Charge 5 are rated to withstand being submerged in water for 30 minutes. And the Charge 5 boasts the additional dustproof rating, so I'm confident that it would either match or outperform the Charge 3 in that arena as well. However, no product is without its downsides. Let's discuss a few aspects of the JBL Charge 5 that I don't love. Firstly, the Charge 5 ditches the 3.5mm audio jack input, which isn't a huge deal in today's Bluetooth-enabled world, but it also makes connecting the two speakers difficult. While both the Charge 3 and the Charge 5 offer the ability to connect to other JBL devices for a multi-speaker experience, they actually have different versions of the same feature. The Charge 3 offers JBL Connect, while the Charge 5 upgraded to Party Boast, which means I wasn't able to connect different models of the same device to test out connected play. Now, another concern that I spotted in reviews on Reddit and Amazon is the updated rubber feet on the bottom of the JBL Charge 5. Previous models offer a more uniform base that feels a bit more solid and non-slip than the updated version, while I like the visuals of the new design. several users reported the rubber stripes peeling off the Charge 5 within the first few months of use. Considering the JBL Charge 5 is quite a bit more expensive than other outdoor-friendly portable speakers, I don't love the idea that part of the base is at risk of peeling off over time. So, is the JBL Charge 5 worth it? Let's wrap it up with my final thoughts. Despite its flaws, I'm going to have to say yes. The JBL Charge 5 is worth it, but with a few caveats. With a retail price of $180, the JBL Charge 5 is definitely pricey compared to other Bluetooth speakers on the market, but it's also got a reputation to back up the price tag. I've used my JBL Charge 3 long enough to warrant the splurge, and it's survived a beating with minimal wear and tear, so I think it depends on how you're planning to use it. If you're looking for a reliable speaker that will survive any adventure outdoors, I do think it's worth the splurge. The sound quality is much improved from previous models. It's got a longer battery life than most other outdoor-friendly Bluetooth speakers on the market, and the durability is pretty incredible. I also love that it functions as a power bank, which is a standout feature that most other portable outdoor speakers I found online didn't have. That being said, I do recognize that it's not the most budget-friendly option on the market, especially if you don't care as much about durability, sound quality, or power bank functionality. There are certainly other options available that would work for more passive outdoor activities such as sitting by the pool or hanging out at the park, and I wouldn't blame you for choosing one of those instead of the Charge 5. However, if you're looking for a speaker that will perform and last, then the JBL Charge 5 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our dive into the JBL Charge 5. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital DIY for more tech insights. Until next time, I'm Luna signing off. Stay curious and keep exploring.